practice sheet. Similarly, you can create one practice sheet on your desktop with your name. Now I will show you how can you move around in a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. So you have to, with the help of your keyboard, on the right hand side on your keyboard you will find 4 arrow keys. Just press downward key arrow and observe the Excel spreadsheet. What is happening? Your cursor is going down. This dark part which is going down, it is called as cursor. So as soon as on your keyboard you will press down arrow, you can move downwards on your Excel spreadsheet. Press up arrow. You will see you can move up on the spreadsheet. So with the help of down arrow you can go down, and with the help of up arrow you can move upwards in a spreadsheet. Now you can press tab on left hand side of your keyboard. Tab button is there on left hand side of your keyboard. You have to press tab button. What is happening right now? My cursor is going horizontally ahead. When I was pressing down arrow it was going down, but when I am pressing tab it is going horizontally ahead. Now with the help of your keyboard you have to press shift tab. So as soon as I press shift tab, my cursor is again going backward. So if you want to move on your worksheet horizontally, you have to press tab. You will observe whenever I am pressing tab, it is going in next column. Right now it is in R column. If I press tab, it is going in S column, TU. Again if I press shift tab, it is returning to T column, S column, R column, Q column. Similarly you will observe there are various rows. Over here it is row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4 and so on. Right now my cursor is there on Q column and third number row. Over here this part is called as name box. Name box is like Q3. So over here you will see I am right now in the Q column and third number row. So as soon as I press a tab button, my name box is changed to R3. Right now I am in R column and 3 number row. So this part is called as name box. Name box is where you are right now working on which cell. You can find out from this name box. So with the help of tab or left arrow right arrow key, you can move horizontally in your spreadsheet. On your keyboard, on the right hand side above your arrow keys, there are two buttons, page up and page down. Just press page down. As soon as you press page down, from third number row it has gone to 28 number row. Again press page down. Now from 28th row it has gone to 53rd row. Now try for the page up button. When I press page up, it is again returning to row number 28. Again press page up. Now it has returned to original row number 3rd. Now press page down several times. Now press on your keyboard Control Home. On keyboard, just beside page up and page down button, there is a home button. You have to press Control Home. So as soon as you press Control Home, you will see it has returned to first cell of my Excel spreadsheet, that is A1. Right now I am in the column A and row number 1. So Control Home is, if you want to return to first cell of your Excel spreadsheet, you have to press Control Home. As soon as I press Control page up, I can move around through various worksheets. So Control page up, Control page down when you want to go through your various worksheets in a same workbook. Now return to practice sheet. Press Control Home. It has returned to cell A1. Now press Control down arrow. As soon as you press Control down arrow, you will see you have come to last row of your Excel spreadsheet. If you see the number, it is 65,536th row. So these many rows are there in your Excel spreadsheet. Now similarly, try for Control right arrow. As soon as you press Control right arrow, you have come to last column of your spreadsheet, that is IV. Roman column is there, IV. Now you are in the last row of your Excel spreadsheet, any last column. Now you want to return to first cell of your spreadsheet, you have to press Control Home. So over here you will see you can go through various cells in your workbook. So as soon as you move your cursor, you will see in the name box cell address is mentioned. Right now I am in the column I and row 9th. For example, you want to go in O523 cell. So how do you go there? On your keyboard there is a F5 button. Just press F5 button. You will come across a window, go to. Now over here I will just write O525 and press OK. You will go to cell O525. Similarly, you can go by pressing Ctrl G. Now if I want to go to A23 cell, I'll click on OK. Now my cursor has returned to A number column and 23rd number row. So this part, name box, is clear to all. This is like whichever cell you are working right now, this will show the name of that column and the row.